Hello everyone, welcome back. And today we are going to solve question number 1221, which is split a string in balanced strings of LeetCode. So first I will explain the question, then the approach, and then I will code in C++ and then tell the complexity of this question. So uh, first I will read the question. Balanced string are those that have equal quantity of L and R characters. Given a balanced string S, split it into some number of substrings that each substring in balance, return a maximum number of balanced substrings you can obtain. So in input we will have a string S, which will have only two characters L and R, and it will be balanced as it is given in the question and in the constant as well, as is a balanced string. So what we have to do, we have to find that maximum number of substring which are balanced in that particular string. For example, in the example 1, as you can see, the first balanced string is RL, second is RRLL, third is RL, and fourth is also RL. So maximum output is 4. In example 2, first is RL, now the second is RRR, LL, RLL. So there are 4R and 4L in the second substring. So like this. So what is the approach? We will have two variables. First is the balance, second is the counter. The counter, we will count how many substring are there, and in a balance what we will do is, if L comes we will increase it, and if R comes we will decrease it. So whenever both are in equal part, the answer will come 0, and we will increase the counter when the balance is 0. So let's initialize both of them. First balance as 0 and counter as 0. Now let's iterate. In the given string, if balance is 0, counter plus plus, if C is L, capital L, we will decrease the counter. No, we will decrease the balance. And if it's R, we will increase it. It doesn't matter if you have the increase in R or increase in L, same output. So let's return it. Return the counter as it's the final answer. Oh wait, spelling mistake. Here, as you can see, all the 3 test cases have been passed. Now let's run the code. So initialize both balance and counter is 0. Now as balance is 0, the counter will increase to 1. And the first is R, so it will come 1. Then L, so 0. So our counter is now reached 2. Then 2R will become 2, then 2L will become 0, so the counter is reached 3, and then RL and RL 3, and in the last it will not increase, and as the L will make the balance smaller, but after that the balance will become 0, but not any loop will run, so it will be 4 only. Now let's submit the code. As you can see, the runtime is 0 millisecond and it beats the 100% of people. So the time complexity of this code is O1 as we run one for loop, and the space complexity of O1 as we have only few variables. So if you like my explanation, please give a like, and for more such LeetCode explanation, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.